Hi, I'm Frank Till, the superintendent here in Cumberland County. We recently were hit by a tornado that destroyed our school, but more importantly, it disrupted the lives of our community, our children and our parents. Working together as a community and a foundation, we are going to raise money that will support the children and the community months after the event has occurred. We ask you for your help.
Hello, I'm Dennis Walters. I'm president of the Cumberland County Education Foundation. And at Dr. Frank Till's request, our group and BB&T are providing a tornado relief fund that will benefit all of the families that have been that have had damages from the recent storms. 100% of the money will be going to the families. And we have had money that has come in not already just from local groups, individuals, and as far away as Washington State. We certainly appreciate anything you can do to help us. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Margaret Larson, Cumberland County Education Foundation, and here's how you can help. Make your checks payable to CCEF Tornado Relief Fund and mail it to BB&T, P.O. Box 1088, Fayetteville, North Carolina 28302. Or you can drop a check off at any BB&T branch in Cumberland County. You can also make a donation online at www.ccedfoundation.org.
Hi, I'm Cindy Kowal with Cumberland County Education Foundation. Imagine being a child and losing your home and your school. Right now in Cumberland County, students and teachers need basic supplies just to complete the school year. Please support them. We appreciate every donation. Remember, 100% of donated funds will go directly to students and affected families in our community. Visit any BB&T branch or donate online at www.ccedfoundation.org.